Hey, what's happening, y'all? Check it out. It's time to get chunky. We want to get chunky. This is a very simple, chunky aroid mix. I use this for all of my aroids except seedlings and plants that don't really have a good root system. But anyway, it's 4 parts. First is peat moss. I don't use coconut fiber. I do not like coconut fiber. I know that's unpopular, but I just don't like it. I love that it's a renewable resource, but I hate the runoff water cleaning. Coconut fiber may contain levels of sodium, potassium, and physical contaminants. Anyway, 1 part peat moss, and then 1 part horticultural charcoal. That allows oxygen to be redistributed to the soil, allowing for the plant roots to thrive. So we've got 1 part peat moss and 1 part horticultural charcoal. Simple. Next is perlite, and I use a very large grain, chunky, again, keep thinking chunky, big chunky perlite. I like this. I like this mix because it's very airy and really oxygenates those roots. So now we're doing 1 part perlite. So we've got 1 part peat, 1 part charcoal, 1 part perlite, and then 1 part orchid bark. I like to use the 18 to 25 millimeter size orchid bark for most of my aroids. Again, we're keeping it nice and airy. And then 1 part orchid bark. So 1 part peat, 1 part charcoal, 1 part perlite, and 1 part orchid bark. Mix it up by hand. And of course, you can add water before you mix it. I kind of like to mix it up first and then add water, but you could do it anyway. That's it, y'all. Very simple, very easy, and it works. Peace.